model 1. HCF and its application, model 1. I will try to solve the problem in multiple angles. First question. HCF of 3 power 2007 minus 1, comma 3 power 2007 plus 1. Method 1. Method 1. Method 1. What is that concept which we discussed? HCF of A comma B is also equivalent to HCF of A comma B minus A. If B is greater than A. If B is greater than A. I will use this model. HCF of 3 power 2007 minus 1, comma 3 power 2007 plus 1. It is nothing but HCF of 3 power 2007 minus 1, B minus A, 3 power 2007 plus 1, minus of 3 power 2007 minus 1, which is 2. Already we discussed, right? These 3 power 2007 is an odd number. 1 is also an odd number. Odd minus odd is an even number. HCF of 2 with any even number, answer is always 2. 2 with any even number, answer is always 2. So the first one, according to method 1, answer is 2. HCF of 3 power 2007 minus 1, comma 3 power 2007 plus 1. There are two numbers is given. Method 1, we discussed HCF of A comma B is HCF of A comma B minus A, which is nothing but congruence modulo theorem. Congruence modulo theorem. 3 power 2007 minus 1, subtraction of A from B, I got 2. 2 with any even number, HCF is 2. 2 with any even number, HCF is 2. Method 1. Method 2. Method 2. Method 1, I hope it is clear. Method 2. Method 2. Right? Is it clear? Method 2. Method 2. Method 2. Number tree method. Number tree method. What is a number tree method? 3 power 2007. Odd power any number is odd. Odd minus 1. Odd minus 1 is an even number. Odd minus 1 is an even number. 3 power 2007 plus 1. This is an odd number. Odd plus 1, it is an even number. If you observe, even number, even number. What is the difference I got? 2. HCF of 4 and 6. There is a difference of 2. What is HCF? 2. HCF of 20 comma 22, which is again 2. What is that we discussed? HCF of 2 consecutive even numbers. HCF of 2 consecutive even numbers. It is always 2. Please write down. HCF of 2 consecutive even numbers. It is always 2. HCF of 2 consecutive even numbers is always 2. 3 is an odd number. Odd power any number is an odd number. Odd minus 1 is an even number. This is an odd number. Odd power any number is an odd number. Odd plus 1 is an even number. These two are consecutive even numbers. Consecutive even numbers, HCF is 2. Method 2, by using number tree method. Number tree method, answer is 2. Yes, Shivashakti, there are a lot of more problems are there. I will tell it. Everything will be crystal clear to you, right? Method 2, HCF of any two consecutive numbers. HCF is 2. Method 2, I hope it is clear. Method 3. Method 3. Method 3, which is the best method. Method 3. What is method 3? HCF of A comma B, which is nothing but an element in the set. Which is nothing but element in the set. Factor of B minus A. Element in the set. Factor of B minus A. HCF of 3 power 2007 minus 1, comma 3 power 2007 plus 1. Take the difference. Difference is 2. How you got 2? 3 power 2007 plus 1 minus of 3 power 2007 minus 1. Take the factors of 2. What are the factors of 2? 1 and 2. What are the factors of 2? 1 and 2. This is odd minus 1, even number. Odd plus 1, even number. HCF of 2 even numbers is always an even number. Therefore, the answer is 2. All the three things which I discussed in basics, I used this in the problem solving. Method 3 is HCF of A comma B is element in the set factor of B minus A. Method 1 is congruence modulo theorem. HCF of A comma B is HCF of A comma B minus A. Method 2 is a number tree method. What is a number tree method? Find out the nature of the number, whether it is odd or even. Method 3 is HCF of A comma B is element in the set factor of B minus A. Element in the set factor of B minus A. Method 1, method 2, method 3. Method 1, method 2, method 3. Now we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 examples I got. All these 6, I will create 4 more examples. 4 more examples. Total 10 examples I will give, so that this concept will be crystal clear to you. Crystal clear to you. Just to keep on listening, sir. 10 examples I will do in this type. 10 examples I will do. Not a single doubt you will get in this class. Generally in my class, if you diligently listen to every statement of mine, you will not get any doubt. Now, one by one, we will do. Example 1. Listen carefully to every example. Shakti, I will discuss your doubt here. HCF of 5 power 43 minus 3, comma 5 power 43 plus 3. HCF of 5 power 43 minus 3, comma 5 power 43 plus 3. I will use method 3 right now. It is nothing but factor of their difference. Difference is nothing but 6. What are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and 6. 5 power 43. 5 is an odd number. Odd number power any number is odd. 3 is an odd number. Odd minus odd is even. 5 is an odd number. Odd number power any number is odd. 3 is also an odd number. Odd plus odd is even. HCF of 2 even numbers is always an even number. Answer should always be an even number. Answer should always be an even number. Answer should always be an even number. So 3 is out. If a number is not divisible by 3, how can it be divisible by 6? So if whenever I am eliminating 3, automatically 6 is going out. Why? Because 6 is derived from 3. 2. 2 will divide both the numbers. 1 will divide. Largest number is 2. So answer for this question is 2. Answer for this question is 2. I hope it is clear. Sir, here you might misunderstand my statement. I said HCF of two even numbers is even. It cannot be odd. So 3 is eliminated. If 3 is eliminated, automatically 6 is eliminated because 6 is derived from 3. Out of 1 and 2, which is highest? 2 is highest. So answer is 2. We will do one more example. Till it is completely clear to you, I will create as many questions as possible. Example 2. HCF of 9 power 143 minus 5, comma 9 power 143 plus 5. 9 power 143 minus 5, comma 9 power 143 plus 5. Immediately it should come to your mind. It is nothing but the factor of their difference. Factors of 10. 10 factors are 1, 2, 5 and 10. 1, 2, 5 and 10. Now if you see here, 1, 2, 5 and 10. 9 is an odd number. Odd minus 5 is an odd number. 9 is an odd number. 5 is an odd number. Odd minus odd is even. Odd plus odd is even. HCF of even numbers is always even. Answer should be an even number. 5 is out. If 5 is out, automatically 10 will be out. Largest factor which will divide is 2. Largest factor which will divide is 2. 2 examples. I am sure everybody understood how to do factor method to get the HCF very fast. How to do factor method to get the HCF very fast. Now, first one answer is 2. Second one answer is 2. Now, before we solve this third example, HCF of 2 power 4 minus 1, comma 2 power 6 minus 1. 2 power 4 minus 1, another variety, comma 2 power 6 minus 1. Method 1. HCF of A comma B. Answer is nothing but a element in the factor of B minus A. So this is nothing but factor of their difference. Factor of 2 power 6 minus 1 minus of 2 power 4 minus 1. This is factor of 2 power 6 minus 2 power 4, which is nothing but factor of 2 power 4 into 2 square minus 1. 2 square minus 1. 2 is an even number. Even number minus 1, odd number. Even number minus 1, odd number. HCF of any two odd numbers, answer will be an odd number. Answer will be an odd number. HCF of any two odd numbers, answer will be an odd number. 16 is an even number. Odd number is 2 square minus 1, 3. Check whether 3 will divide this number. 16 minus 1 is 15. 15 is divisible by 3. 64 minus 1 is 63. Is 63 divisible by 3? Yes. So answer for this question is 3. This is by using method 1. What is method 1? Method 1 is HCF of any two numbers. Answer is an element in the set, factor of their difference. HCF of any two numbers. Answer is an element in the set, factor of their difference. I hope the idea is clear. I hope the idea is clear. Third one, I hope it is clear. SV Tech, I am starting from basics and I am going level by level. So what is that I am discussing? If the powers are same, HCF of 3 power 15 minus 1, 3 power 25 minus 1. I want the HCF. You don't need to do anything. Both are of the same power. 3 power of HCF of 15 comma 25 minus 1, which is 3 power 5 minus 1, which is 3 power 5 minus 1. HCF of 11 power 12 minus 1, 11 power 18 minus 1. If the powers are same and both are behaving in the same pattern, it is 11 power 12 and 18, HCF is 6. Answer is HCF of 12 comma 18, it is 6. 12, 15 comma 25, HCF is 5. HCF is 5. 3 power 5 minus 1, 11 power 6 minus 1. I hope the idea to solve this question is clear to you. Let me solve a few questions. Third question, or this question, what will be the answer? 3 power 6 minus 1, 3 power 9 minus 1. Answer is 3 power 3 minus 1. How you got 3? Which is the HCF of 6 and 9. 6 and 9, it is 3. 6 and 9, it is 3. Right? Next one, 5 power 24 minus 1, 5 power 36 minus 1, 24 and 36. HCF is 12. 5 power 12 minus 1. 12 minus 1. 5 power 12 minus 1. 5 power 12 minus 1, 3 power. Let us discuss these three models. Again, another model, HCF of 2 written 4 times and 2 written 6 times. 2 written 6 times. 2 written 4 times and 2 written 6 times. How to determine this answer? Method 1. Then I will tell you Anil Nair's way of solving. Method 1. This is nothing but, can I write it as 2 by 9 into 4 9s, comma 2 by 9 into 6 9s. Can I write it like 9 will go 4 times, 2 into 4, 2 into 6 times. This is also HCF of 2 by 9 into 10 power 4 minus 1. 2 by 9 into 10 power 6 minus 1. So these are nothing but a factor of their difference. What is the factor of their difference? 2 by 9 into 10 power 6 minus 1. 10 power 6 minus 1 minus of 10 power 4 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. It is factor of 2 by 9 into 10 power 6 minus 10 power 4, which is 2 by 9 into 10 power 4 into 10 square minus 1. 100 minus 1 is 99. I will get factor of 22 into 10 power 4. 22 into 10 power 4. This step is clear, right? 2 by 9 into 4 9s. 2 by 9 into 6 nines, 2 by 9 into 10 power 4 minus 1. These 10 power 6 minus 1. 2 by 9 into 10 power 6 minus 1 minus of 10 power 4 minus 1. 2 by 9 into 10 power 4 common, 10 square minus 1. 100 minus 1 is 99. So remaining is factor of 22 into 10 power 4. I will write down in the next slide neatly. Factor of 22 into 10 power 4. Factor of, what is the final answer we got? HCF of 4 2's, comma 6 2's. This is nothing but factor of 22 into 10 power 4. 22 is 2 into 11 into 2 into 5 power 4. I want the factors of this number. This is an even number. This is also an even number. HCF of even numbers is always an even number. So answer definitely 2 will be there. Answer definitely 2 will be there. Next one, if you see here, what is the divisibility rule of 11? Divisibility rule of 11 is sum of the odd places, sum of odd places minus sum of even places should be divisible by 11. Should be divisible by 11. 2 plus 2 4, 2 plus 2 4, 4 minus 4 0, 4 plus 2 6. This is also 0. That means it is divisible by 11. It cannot be this answer. Why? Because for a number to get 10 power 4, it should be divisible by 2 power 4 and it should be divisible by 5 power 4. It cannot be divisible by 16, because for a number to be divisible by 16, it should be divisible by 8 or it should be divisible by 4. 22 is not divisible by 4. So answer for this question is 2 into 11, 22. There is a reason why I wrote it as 2 by 9 into 4 nines. There is a reason why I wrote. I will explain that reason. I hope it is clear. Answer for this question is 22, which is a traditional method 1. Method 2, we will discuss it. I hope it is clear why it should be. Why it should be 2? Because it's an even number. It's an even number. HCF of any two even numbers is even, which is 2. Why it is 11? Because it is satisfying sum of odd places minus sum of even places. Sum of odd places minus sum of even places. Why this is not possible? Because they are not divisible by 2 power 4 or 5 power 4. I hope it is clear. Method 2. Method 2. HCF of 2 2 2 2 2 2 comma 2 2 2 2 2 2 2. Here method 2. Anil Nair's logical way. Anil Nair's logical way. Here 2 is written how many times? 4 times. Here 2 is written how many times? 6 times. 4 times 6 times. What is the HCF of 4 times and 6 times? 4 times and 6 times is nothing but 2 times. Which number is getting 4 times or 2 times? 2. So 2 is written 2 times. 2 is written 2 times. Subtracting this number from this number and doing it, you might not understand it, how 22 came into picture. That is the reason slowly I did 2 by 9 into 4 nines, 2 by 9 into 6 times. This is written 4 times, this is written 6 times. So 4 times 6 times HCF is 2 times. So answer is 2 is written 2 times. Now, you might ask me in the previous question, why this method 2 is working? Like one student asked me, right? Proof for method number 2. Deepshika, directly you cannot subtract it. Explanation might go for a toss, right? Next one. Method 2 for the previous question. HCF of 2 power 6 minus 1, comma 2 power 9 minus 1. Directly, what did I say? 2 power of HCF of 6 comma 9 minus 1. 2 power 3 minus 1. Proof for method 2. Proof for method 2. Proof for method 2. A power n minus b power n. A power n minus b, or let us take this example. A square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. A cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A power n minus b power n is always divisible by a minus b if n is a natural number. Please write down. A power n minus b power n is always divisible by a minus b if n is a natural number. So here, if you see 2 power 6 minus 1, which is nothing but 2 square whole cube minus 1 whole cube, 2 power 9 minus 1, which is, or I will write 2 cube whole square, 2 cube whole cube minus 1 cube. A power n minus b power n is always divisible by a minus b if n is a natural number. So this is divisible by 2 cube minus 1. This is the proof. A power n minus b power n is always divisible by a minus b if n is a natural number. 2 power 6 minus 1 is 2 cube whole square minus 1 whole square, or 2 cube whole cube minus 1 whole cube. So both are divisible by a minus b. A minus b. I hope it is clear. A minus b. Some more examples. HCF of 7 power 28 minus 1, 7 power 35 minus 1. 35 minus 1. What is the answer? 7 power of HCF of 28 comma 35 minus 1, which is 7 power 4 minus 1. What is the proof for this? 7 power 28 minus 1 is 7 power 4 power 7 minus 1 power 7. 7 power 35 minus 1 is 7 power, sorry, it is 7 fours. I hope it is clear, right? So 28 and 35, HCF is 7. Sorry, 1 minute. Right? So these is nothing but 7 power 28 minus 1. Here also it is 7 power 35 minus 1. A power n minus b power n is always divisible by a minus b if n is a natural number. I made a mistake here, calculation mistake. It is 7. It is 7 here. 7 power 28 minus 1. 7 power 28 minus 1. I think I have done. This is 7 power 7. These, sorry sir, what am I doing? HCF of, there is a mistake which I did in the previous question. 7 power 28 minus 1, comma 7 power 38 minus 1. 7 power 7 minus 1 is the answer. 7 power 28 minus 1 is 7 power 7 power 4 minus 1. 7 power 35 minus 1 is 7 power 7 power 5 minus 1. Previous question there is a mistake which I did it. Please kindly correct it. Right? I hope it is clear, right? 7 power 28 minus 1. See, I wrote 7. I am doing in the mind power to the power problems. I am doing in the mind power to the power problems. So, 7 power 7 power 4 minus 1, 7 power 7 power 5 minus 1. So, answer is 7 power 7 minus 1, right? There is a small calculation mistake which I did it. I hope you have understood the concept. I am doing the HCF of 28 and 35. 28 and 35, I am doing it. I hope it is clear, right? Now, answers will be very, very easy to you. What is the answer for this question? Answer for this question is 5 power 12 minus 1. Answer for this question is 3 power 3 minus 1. Answer for this question is 2005, 2010. HCF is 5 times. So, 4 is written 5 times. 12 times and 18 times. Answer is 6 times. 7 is written 6 times. 6 times and 9 times. 2 is written 3 times. Answer for this question is 2. Answer for this question is 2. All the problems, is it clear to you? 6 problems, is it crystal clear to you? Is it crystal clear to you? Is it crystal clear to you? Please write down this point. A power n plus b power n is divisible by a plus b. Is divisible by a plus b if n is an odd number. If n is an odd number. For example, a cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Right? Suppose if I take an example of 2 power 9 plus 1, 2 power 27 plus 1, HCF of 2 power 9 plus 1, 2 power 27 plus 1, 2 power 27 plus 1. This is factor of their difference. 2 power 27 minus 2 power 9. This is factor of 2 power 9, 2 power 18 minus 1. 2 power 18 minus 1. This is even. Even plus 1 it is an odd number. Even plus 1 it is an odd number. HCF of any two odd numbers, which is 2 power 9. 2 power 18 minus 1, which is nothing but 2 power 9 minus 1 and 2 power 9 plus 1. 2 power 9 minus 1, 2 power 3 minus 1 and 2 power 3 plus 1. This is remaining is 2 power 9 plus 1. Now see here. 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 will it divide this number? 512 plus 1 is 513. 7 is not divisible by this number. 7 is not divisible by this number. Out of these two, one among them is right. Out of these two, one among these right. So 2 power 27 plus 1 can be written as 2 cube power 2 power 9 power 3 plus 1 power 3. a power n plus b power n is divisible by this number. So answer is 2 power 9 plus 1. So because of this logic, Nair 27 HCF is 9. So answer is 2 power 9.